Hi guys, I haven't been making videos for quite a while now, for a few weeks, because I haven't been well. So today I just wanted to jump on and show you a few bags that I've made over time, and maybe you'll be interested in making one of these bags. I think 2 of them are on my channel and 2 are not on the channel, but as soon as I'm able to, I will make a video to show you how to make these bags. So first we have a market bag. This is a foldable market bag. As you can see here, look at it. This is so pretty and neatly fold. You can add it to any of your shoulder bags or handbags and it will fit nicely. So you always have an extra bag in case you want to stop by the grocery store. You have some extra stuff that you want to carry. You can use it to carry books, pretty much anything. I just love this bag. It's so neat and handy to carry around. It has snap closures. So you open it up like this, and then here you go, you unravel it, you unfold it like this. So, and there you have a nice neat tote bag or market bag where you can carry all your extra goodies in. I think this is a lovely bag, and you can make it with scrap fabric. You don't need to have a lot of fabric to make this bag, and this is the section here that was made to put everything nicely together. So I think I'm going to work on a tutorial to show you how to make this bag, because I think this is awesome. I absolutely love this bag. And this is how you fold it back together. You just fold the sides in, one side, another side, pretty easy. You fold up the bottom, or you can take the top where you have the handles, fold it down neatly like this again, and then fold in here like so. Close up. I hope you can see all of what I've been doing. So we fold down here, close up, down again, and then snap. Easy. And there you have it. Bag is folded nice and neatly and ready to go with all your goodies. So this is one, and this is a necessary clutch wallet. I just made a square, a rectangle flap, and I added a little bit of a piece of chain and I make a ruffle to add some embellishments to this beautiful and classy wallet. This is some suede fabric that I use on the flap on the front, and some other home decor fabric I used in the back. And this is what it will look like on the inside. We have a strap which we'll connect here like so, and have a nice wristlet, magnetic snap closure, a zipper pocket for your coins and things you don't want to fall out. You can put your phone, banknotes. So you have so much room. This is a wonderful make. Anyone can make it. You can make it with different materials to make it more sturdy, like leather, waterproof materials, cork fabric as well. So this is a wonderful bag and it's very popular. I have a tutorial showing you how to make a necessary clutch wallet on my channel, and I will link to it in the description of this video, so you can follow on it step by step. It has a bunch of parts, so you can see how to put each section of this wallet together. The zippers, how I fold my fabric to make the card slot pockets. I use a template and so on. Everything you need to know on how to make a necessary clutch wallet, you can find it the channel, and I will link to that playlist for you. So this is pretty cute. I absolutely love this wallet. This is my favorite, absolute favorite. You can add your interfacing to make it sturdy, foam, or light interfacing, however you want, depending on the look that you're going for. I just wanted something nice and soft and easy to carry, like in the evening. So this is what I made. Let me know if you like it and if you want to see a tutorial on how to make this. And this one is a pretty huge hand painted fabric. This is some cotton fabric. As you can see, it looks like leather. Oh my goodness, I absolutely enjoyed making this fabric. This is some brown cotton or duck cloth, and I use paint, some fabric paint, to give it this consistency and this texture on the outside. And I did some marking. There's tutorials on my channel showing you how to paint your fabric to get this look, and how I made this bag as well. I used some webbing around the edges to bind, and I used webbing as well for the strap handle As you can see, it's flat, so you can still hold your bag like this without it being too uncomfortable or bulky with the handle. You can also remove the handle if you don't want it and hold your bag from the underneath like so. So this is a pretty cool bag. I am very proud of making this bag. I think it was a wonderful bag that I made from scratch. I enjoyed every minute of it. If you want to see how to make this bag, there's also a video on my channel. I will link to it in the description for you guys. See, one snap closure, or if you want, you can add 2 snaps if it's so wide. You can even reduce the size of the bag and make it smaller if this is something that is too big for you. It's very roomy. You can place a whole bunch of stuff inside of here. Simple and cute. I have some suede lining. I absolutely love this bag. I love a good clutch. Okay, so you can check out this tutorial as well on my channel. And last but not least is this suede home decor fabric fold over clutch purse with fringes on the side. Absolutely love this. It has a bit of a leather pull to just add a little jazz to it. Look, this is so cute. It's big, roomy. You can carry a lot of stuff inside of this bag. You open it up like so. See, it's very lengthy and roomy. It's well lined on the inside with some cotton fabric. Very pretty. I love this. So these are just a couple of bags that I've made over the years that I wanted to show you guys. Maybe you haven't seen the videos. If you haven't, you can go to my channel right now and check them out. And I'll hope I feel better soon so I can make some more content for you guys. So enjoy, and remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment if there's something you'd like to share or add down in the description. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. See you later.